Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super important skill for anyone who loves charting and market analysis, how to manage and publish your ideas on TradingView. Whether you're looking to share your insights with the community, track your own progress, or even get feedback from other traders, publishing ideas on TradingView is a fantastic way to get your thoughts out there and become an active member of the trading world. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take your chart analysis and turn it into a polished, public idea for others to see. Alright, let's jump right in. So first things first, head over to TradingView.com. This is really where all the magic happens. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up, it's free, and having your own profile lets you keep track of your published ideas and organize them however you like. Once you've logged in, you'll see a clean, intuitive dashboard. From here, let's get started by clicking on the Products tab. You'll find it at the top of the web page. Now this section is sort of like the main menu in a restaurant. Products is where TradingView gathers all their main tools from charts to screeners to scripts. Clicking here is your first step to accessing the area where you can publish your trading ideas. Next, you'll want to make your way to the top right corner of the screen. Don't rush this part. Sometimes websites rearrange their layouts, so take a moment and make sure you're looking at the correct spot. You'll see a button labeled Publish. It might sometimes have a little pencil icon to make it stand out. This Publish button is essentially like hitting send on an email. It's how you take your work and put it out there for the world to see. Go ahead and click that Publish button. When you do, TradingView will guide you through a few easy prompts, usually asking for a title, description, maybe some tags to help others find your idea. This is the perfect moment to add a little context to your chart. Think of it like writing a caption for a photo. Give your audience a glimpse of what your analysis is about, what you see in the market, maybe even your reasoning or strategy. Don't be afraid to briefly explain your thought process here, even if you're just testing things out. The idea is to make your post valuable not just for yourself, but also for the traders who will stumble across it later. Once you fill in those details, you're just about done. Hit Publish again, and just like that, your idea is live. It really is as simple as that. There's no complicated process, no hidden steps. You've taken your analysis and put it in front of the global TradingView community. If this is your first time, give yourself a little pat on the back. It might feel a bit scary to publish your ideas at first, but remember, every expert trader started as a beginner. Don't worry if your chart isn't perfect or your prediction isn't spot on. The TradingView community is full of people who are here to learn and share, just like you. Alright, that's a wrap on today's tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button and drop me a comment if you have any questions about TradingView or publishing your ideas. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.